Morning and welcome to the daily morning updates from Extrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. Yesterday we saw the Nifty losing the 3-day back-to-back gain momentum due to the global cues, and we saw the sell-off which happened in the morning, and the sell-off really scared as when we saw the SGS Nifty numbers. But somehow it recovered, it came down and it recovered in the midsection, and then it was closing lower by over 160 points. Bank Nifty also we saw losing over 560 points, and the main loser was due to the rising bond yields. That was the main worry. It was triggering the global markets as well as it was creating impact in our Indian markets too. So what defended markets yesterday, main part is that the mid-cap indexes, the mid-cap stocks which were defending, and it continued to rally. It was the only sector which was positive yesterday, and it was hitting all-time new highs as the retail investors were seeing more value in that. So the mid-cap index was rising and it was supporting the index yesterday. So coming to the FII and DII numbers, FII yesterday sold close to 223 crores and DII sold close to 788 crores. So both FIIs and DIIs have been in the sell side yesterday due to the negative sentiments in the global environment. Okay, so what is the market setup for the day? Today we are seeing SGS Nifty again indicating a gap down for the Indian markets because it is down close to 162 points as we are talking. It is somewhere around 14,908 levels. US markets yesterday saw a massive sell-off again for a second consecutive day. Dow Jones fell close to 350 points. Nasdaq is also falling for the fourth consecutive day, and it is looking pretty weak. Nasdaq index is looking pretty weak, and there might be some correction expected in the Nasdaq in the coming days. So it was mainly due to yesterday the Federal Chairman Jerome Powell. Markets were expecting some positive inputs from Jerome Powell yesterday, but he didn't give any positive data to curb that bond yield rise. So the markets were not taking any confidence from that, and there was profit booking happening yesterday in the markets. Apart from this bond yield rising, it raised close to 1.56% from 1.32 levels. So oil prices also have surged up. It has moved to $64 per barrel. So this is also rising some jittery in the markets because the OPEC is leaving any outputs have been unchanged. So this is also making the crude prices to go up. What is the trade setup for the day? We need to watch out. So now the global markets are sensing some correction in the market. So we need to be a little bit cautious because the crude is rising up, the bond yield is rising up, and almost the dollar index also from 89 to 90 levels, it has gone up to 92, which is negative for the emerging markets like India. So all these are totally against the bulls. So last Friday's level of 14,467 remains an important level to be watched. If there is a sell, if the Nifty is cutting this 14,467 levels, we can see some more. It is nearly close to that 50-day daily moving average. If it cuts that, and we can see more weakness and a trend reversal happening in the market. Mid-cap indexes, we need to keep an eye, as we discussed initially. It has to be an index we need to be tracked, and it has some more value in it. Bank Nifty may underperform today. Yesterday also we saw weakness in Bank Nifty. Today also we can see some underperformance today. IT and pharma can be given a focus because there's a chance of some performance coming in both these sectors. We need to keep an eye on that. On the Bank Nifty levels, the recent low were around 34,650. It will be a more important support level. So we also need to keep an eye on this Bank Nifty levels. So having said that, what is the levels today? What Nifty, where the range Nifty can be happening? It can the first level support will be around 14,800, and the second level of support will be around 14,700, and the resistance for the day will be around 15,200. For the bank nifty, the resistance will be around 36,200 and the support level will be around 35,450 levels. So these are levels we can expect today. Nifty somewhere around 14,800 to 15,200 levels. We can see Nifty will be in a range. Okay, so what are the buzzing newses which we saw yesterday? Cement shares are in huge demand. Ultratech, Ambuja, Ramco hit new highs. Yesterday, Balrampur Chini zooms 8% in a weak market, and the stock was zooming close to 18% in the past 4 days. It's also an important stock to keep a watch on. Equitas Small Financing Bank hit the highest level since its listing. It went up close to 71% against the issue price. IRCTC also hit an all-time high because the stock rallied close to 32%. It is all based on the improved sentiments and the positive news on the unlock scenario. Adani Ports, yesterday we highlighted this stock. It was a news which came yesterday. Adani Ports were buying stakes, so it surged up yesterday, acquire stakes in that Ramavaram port. So we need to we can also keep an eye on these stocks. Power stocks especially in focus, which are Adani, Tata Power, have hit 52-week highs. So we can keep an eye on these stocks for today also. Important stocks to watch out for the day: Wipro, Herberna Industries, which is going to get listed today, Unichem Labs, Laurus Labs, and Balrampur Chini. These are the important stocks we need to keep an eye on. Requesting you all to subscribe our Telegram channel, where all the important data and news on the stocks which we are watching and alerts will be given on those channel. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Have a great day. Thank you.